Did you know that one of history's biggest real estate scams happened over 1,000 years ago? Meet Eric the Red, a Viking explorer with a serious problem. He'd been kicked out of Iceland for murder and needed somewhere new to live. In 985, he discovered a massive frozen island covered in ice and snow. But here's where Eric got creative. Instead of calling it what it was, a frozen wasteland, he named it Greenland. Why? Pure marketing genius. Eric sailed back to Iceland and told everyone about this amazing green paradise he'd found. He painted pictures of lush meadows and fertile farmland. The people of Iceland were dealing with overcrowding and poor harvests, so Eric's sales pitch sounded perfect. Hundreds of Norse settlers believed his lies. They packed up their families, loaded their ships, and sailed to what they thought would be their new green home. Instead, they found a frozen hellscape with barely any vegetation. Many died from starvation and cold. Others managed to survive, but they'd been completely tricked. Eric the Red had pulled off history's first documented real estate fraud.